Dang. It's so freaking rainy today. Oh no, water, don't splash on me. Oh, fudge. Mud everywhere. Alright, let me catch some speed. And then I'll talk to you guys in a minute. So, today should be a great day. Psych. It's rainy, I can't skate. I gotta go to school on a fucking Saturday. This is not fun. Let me, get with you guys whenever I'm at the bus stop. Luckily, we got a metro right there, so we own. Why are the seats wet? Why is the ground wet? What the heck? I hope you can hear me, but I just got to my school and there's no cars. Actually there's 2 cars, but all the doors are closed. The office is not even open. So what the fuck? I just came up in this bitch so fucking early for nothing. So what I'm gonna go do is, I don't know honestly, but we'll see what happens.
What the fuck your name is, boy? I never heard of that. German back in the night, we made a murder vet. She let out the nervous rat, swimming in the...
We out.
That was wild.
Go ahead, bro.
I'm gonna come back in, alright?
Versus back to back.
We gotta tag one of these. Oh no, it's that.
Oh no! Uh-oh.
He's straight.
Yikes.
You lost the sack.
No, my hairband is broke.
Oh.
I don't have another hairband. I don't like that my hair. I'm not used to it. I don't have to do it. I've been cleaning off joints, bro, for the last... That's all I got. It's my children.
What is we doing?
Oh shit, we're buying a wiper. The ski wipe. I'm looking for it. I think it's over here. Oh, they're right here. This pretty girl over here. Which one's speaking? You got a nice one. A good ass one. Shit. Oh, shit.
Those are 25. The ones in the bottom are 20.
Which ones?
These that are right here. These are 20.
I didn't see that.
Dang, you blind as fuck.
Oof. Bitch, how are you supposed to get this shit off? Look at this motherfucker.
You gotta twist it, bro. Yeah.
Ooh. Which one do you think is better?
I think,
but this
like,
is a
bro,
broom,
huh?
nigga. It's a broom.
This is, dude, it has fucking
I
the
know.
thing, and this is why it's better. You know why? Because after you use this, after you use this thing, you have to brush with this so it dries up. This is to push the water, so there's almost like no water on the surface, and with the brush it'll like dry it up. The ground, it'll actually dry it up with the air.
Alright, let's see.
You see?
Let's test it out.
We're finna test it right now though, so it's not like it's gonna be a problem. So that's like that is for the water.
What oh, no, that's some shit.
Yeah, let's use one. This looks like it would work, right?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, it'll fucking grab all the water. Let's take that one.
Which one?
That one.
Oh, hell yeah. Let's see.
What's up, bruh? Water, here we come. Damn, this one looks legit though, I'm not gonna lie. This one looks like we could just scoop all the water out the park.
Right away. Nah. You talking about those right there.
Fuck, this one right here. But I could sit on this hole.
Alright, reduce. Alright, let's see this.
Dun, 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 dun. Close-ups. Let's reach this together.
Or, you know what we could do, nigga?
Buy a broom and the stick and then take off the top and put that one on it. We could take one of these hoses. One of these brooms. They're $10.
Wait, hold up. Mira. No, this one.
Oh look, there's sticks right here. How
Hey,
much right here? How much is sticks? Hey bitch, how much are you? Ah! Still have my chest on.
there's some right here, dude.
Oh, there's sticks everywhere.
$4.98.
Look, that's cheap for $4.98, bruh. That was huge. Oh shit.
Let's see if it fits on one of
It's almost as tall as I am. I think it will, isn't it? Like a.
Man, these are expensive too.
What about this one? Where'd you get this one from?
Right here.
How much is it?
Wait, hold up. 99.
99, bruh, that's a steal. I mean, not in a sense where you should buy it in a sense where they're gonna steal from you.
No, this one isn't even screw in. Can you screw this shit in?
Decided.
Oh, look.
Is this one good? It's the same one. It's the same one. That's why they have it here too, because it's the
24.
best choice.
24 inches. 24 inches.
You wanna try it out?
Yeah, try it
Here, you could.
out. I try.
Now you could try it out. Looks like you know how to do this. Look, there's minimum puddle of water. Why is that
okay,
such
it
a
works.
failed attempt? This is little pebbles, bro. The park is smooth.
Bitch, fuck you.